Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log in your Merrick Bank online account on your mobile device. Merrick Bank is issued and recognized as a top credit issuer bank. Now, to log into your Merrick Bank account, simply tap on Preferred Browser. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.merrick.com. You will be led to the official page of Merrick Bank. And at the top right corner, you can see sign in icon. You can simply tap over there. Here options are provided. You can simply choose credit cards. Now here you need to write down the credential, that is your username and your password. In case if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forget username or password and they will help you to get your account back. Now if your credential is ready, you can simply tap on login and you will be successfully logged into your Merrick Bank account. And this is how simply you can get logged into your Merrick Bank online account in your mobile device. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.